A family resemblance to Are you related to Sasquatch, sir? Oh, okay. We got a half Squatch on board. That makes you a quarter Squatch right there, okay? Yes, it does. All right. Okay, no one panic. We're going to drop the half Squatch off at the base camp right there. There's a professor. He's a cryptozoologist, and he's looking for Sasquatch, so everybody will be just fine, all right? Just keep your distance. They do bite. Oh, I think I see.
From him.
Wait, that's not the professor. Oh, boy. Oh, that's me. I was trying to get you. Oh, there he is right there. Okay, there's a Bigfoot in the barrel. Oh, I didn't see any of the scientists, did you? Okay, we gotta find those scientists and fast. You check right, I'll check left. Look for the scientists over there. Hello?
Over here. I say, over here.
Oh, everybody, look in the tree on the right-hand side. That's Seymour's Stuffy Pants.
The last time.
I'm sorry, Seymour.
Oh.
Hey, where's the professor? Where's the rest of the expedition?
Let me think. Somewhere between. I'm stuck up a tree and I don't care.
Oh, I don't see the professor, do you? I'm getting worried about my good friend the professor. Okay, everybody, on three, we're going to shout out Professor real loud. Here we go. Professor on three. 1, 2, 3. Professor! Oh, we found him.
Here, just around the bend.
Oh, there he is.
McGillicuddy is the name, and Finding Bigfoot is my game.
Hey, Professor, I'm glad you're okay. Can you tell us about the caverns on the right?
Yes, of course.
He's on that hill right there.
That the Sasquatch are using a vast network of underground tunnels. That's why you ever see one.
That does make sense. That's why we don't see
There
him.
you are. I see. Can you see my camera?
Professor, he's right behind you.
Where?
He's literally right behind you.
I would know there's something behind me.
Oh boy, the professor's in trouble. Okay, I've got to save the professor. I'm going to take a shot. Everybody plug your ears. This is going to be real loud. Sir, you are in the line of fire. Lean to your right. Lean to your right. That's your left, sir. You're about the right. Okay, ma'am, help me get his head down. All right. Farther, ma'am. Farther.
Yeah, over here.
Okay, ma'am. Now you're just doing it for fun. I didn't get off the shot. Well, there was a passenger way. All right, sir.